Okay guys, I working on the alternator bracket, putting on a Chevy one-wire alternator onto a 73 BMW. I milled down the mount here, milled this down a little bit to adjust the spacing on it, and so now I need to make a spacer. I don't have a lathe, so I was looking around the shop trying to figure out the best way to cut one down without a lathe, hole saw, etc. Anyway, I had these blanks from where I cut out my gauge in my gauge panel. This is your standard Ryobi bench grinder, and on the end I drilled a 7/16 inch hole into the blank here, and which is the size of bolt I used on that. I went ahead and drilled it out a little bit. Anyway, it actually will thread on to the shaft. It takes a little bit of force to get it straight. You can tap it on, but anyway, get it straight and wear your gloves and your safety glasses, because this is kind of rigged here. Let's set up. I'm using the just a pair of snips here, and go ahead and turn it on. You'll see I'll place the snips up against it here, and it'll start taking it down. So here we go. So anyway guys, I just want to go ahead and show you, I got my sharp pair of snips that I was using earlier when I was testing it. I grabbed this pair and it didn't work as well. But anyway, I just wanted to show you with the sharp snips and how it works. So anyway, that's really hard to do holding the camera, but it's really the only way I can get a good angle on it. Just wanted to show you it's going to take the same, obviously, finish as the tool path, which this one's, you know, got some teeth. So of course you can do angles on here and clean up the edges and stuff when you get done. But cool. Finished product. Like a glove.